Hey, this is Team 4. So we're doing the release 2 video. So before I start the use cases, I'm going to show the database. So you can see right now, we don't have any database related to um, our project right now. So before we start the use cases, I'm going to start by creating a company. So as you can see, we have 27 APIs here. So I'm going to start with the company API. And so you can see that it's successful. So if you go back to the database, we should have a new database here and a collection customer, which shows the company ID which we just created. So the second step is, again, I'm going to create a new moderator so that we can do all the use cases. So in the body, I'm going to set the new company ID. And yeah, so that's success as well. And I'm going to create a new queue. Okay. So you can see all a queue, a company, and a moderator is created. If you go back to the database, you can see, yes, we have a new database here with the moderator and the queue that we just made. Now, if we go to the email, so we have emails sent for all the three cases we just discussed. So going back to the document, the first use case is an administrator can edit the list of moderators in a queue so that the queue moderators can be assigned or removed. So for this case, the first test is administrator tries to add a moderator for an invalid company. So in Postman, we can go to moderator and we're going to give a wrong company ID. See, we get the proper response back. So this case is a success. Okay. So the second one is administrator tries to add an invalid moderator to a queue. For that, again, we go to Postman, go to the queue case, and we give a wrong moderator. And we can see it gives the right response. So that's a success case as well. Okay. The third test is selecting existing queue to add/remove moderators from it. So we already have a queue created before. In the database, we can see the queue is this one. So we copy this, and in Postman, we have update queue, where we give the queue ID, we give the proper company ID. Okay, so now, okay, and the cases. Okay, so we add a moderator n and let's send. It says invalid moderator, so we add correct moderator n. And yes, it's a success. So if we go back to the database, fresh, you can see the queue now has a moderator, which means it's a success. So this case is a success as well. Okay, the last one for this use case, administrator tries to edit the list of moderators in a queue by adding/removing moderators in UI. So at the moment, we don't have a UI capability, so this is a failure case. Okay, so because there's one failure, this user story is considered as failed. Okay, so coming to the second one.